If your vehicle is equipped with power seat adjustments, look for this switch on the side of your seat. Simply slide it forward or backward and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat or forward to bring the seat upright. If so equipped, the power lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the driver. Use this switch to adjust the lumbar support. Lift this lever to slide the rear seat forward and backward, then release when the seat is in the desired position. Pull this lever to recline the seat or bring the seat upright. To fold the second row bench seat flat, pull this strap or this lever in the cargo area and lower the seat back. It may be necessary to remove the rear seat headrests or head restraints before folding the rear seats. To return to an upright position, pull the strap, then push up on the seat back until it latches in place. If you have removed or adjusted the headrest or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. To enter the third row, pull the lever to tilt the seat back down, then slide the seat forward. Pull this strap on the back of the seat to adjust the seat back, then release at the desired angle. Before folding the third row seats, first stow the seatbelt buckles, then push the lever on the head restraint and fold it down. Pull this strap and fold the seat back forward. Next, pull the strap under the seat cushion to unlock the seat, then pull this strap to rotate the seat backward for storage. After stowing the seat, secure the seat with this strap. To return the third row seats, remove the strap, grip the handle, and rotate the seat forward. Pull the strap to raise the seat back and then return the head restraints to their original position. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.